Welcome back, students. So in the previous class we have done the pushing and popping in stack array. In this class we have to be study the pushing in stack linked list, and this topic is very important, okay, because this topic is coming in the last year or before last year, I forgot, but in this topic is coming in exam, okay. Stack as a linked list means what is the connection between stack and linked list, right? You can also call it linked stack. Linked stack, okay, right? So linked stack means what is the relation between stack and linked list? Means you have to be perform the operation of stack by linked list, okay. As a linked list you can say like that, as a in stack what happen, the insertion is called push operation and deletion is called pop operation, okay. Insertion and deletion, right? And both insertion and deletion will be done at the end is called top. Means insertion deletion both at the same end, and that end will be called top position, okay. So we have already done the stack as a stack array. Means stack means what? This is vertical array, the pushing in stack array, popping in stack array. So in this class we have to study pushing in stack linked list, and which is very important. First of all we have to study algo, after that we have to study program, okay. Notes will be provided in the book already, you will study by yourself. Very easy. Just I show you. Okay. Suppose this is a linked list. Okay. You already know linked list. This is called what? Node. And this is what? Pointer to the next node. Means it will store the memory address of this node. Right. So in stack, what happened? This is null, or in book they show it like this, art and symbol. Same meaning. Art and symbol means this is null. Okay, point is null because there is no node after that. So this is called top. Start position will be called top. So when you push a node in this stack linked list, then you have to be inserted where? At the beginning, because at the top position, na. Okay, then your link stack linked list will be this. Means suppose this is a node 20, here they write character, okay, I write character, this is write HM character node. We have to be inserted the new node. This is HM and this is S. Okay, means this S will be coming in generally in stack array. What will happen? This is suppose stack array, vertical array. Okay, this is vertical array. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the element 11, 12, 13. Suppose this is stack array. When you insert 14, it will be coming at this. Okay. When you insert 15, this is coming after this. After 14 insertion, when you insert 15, it will coming in here. Means it will coming at a top position. But in this is stack array. This is for stack array. But for the stack linked list, this is in coming in what? Horizontally. So this is the node already, it's same. Okay, if you represent this at stack array, what is happen? This is H and this is M. When you insert S will coming in here. But when it is going to be in the horizontal as a list, then you see, you just imagine this as a horizontal. Then what happen? S will be coming in the here top position. Means starting will be called with top. Means what? If you, suppose this is the memory address 1000, 1001, 1002. This 1000 will be stored by what? Top. And this 1001 is where, 1002 is where. There is nothing because this is, there is no node. After that, this is R10. R10 means also you can write null, same thing. If you like that null, then null you can write on R10, same thing. In books they show the R10 symbol. That's why. Okay, this is the concept. Means in stack linked list we represent the element as a node, right? And the top will be the starting position. And insertion and deletions always happen at the from the starting, means at the top. Starting will be called top. Okay. So we have to study the algorithm. Okay, first of all, algorithm is pushing in linked stack. Pushing in linked stack, and this is very important, because this algo is coming, I think 2020 final or 2019. You see the question paper, you will see this algo is very important. This algo and the respective program for this is very important. Okay, so pushing in linked stack. Previously we studied pushing in stack array or array stack. In here linked stack means stack as a linked list. Okay, share see. Get new node for the item to be pushed. New PTR is equal new node. If you understood the logic, then you easily understood the algorithm. And if you understood the algo, then you easily understood the programmer also. Info item. Okay, I write as a in here one line. Null. If top is equal null, then top will be new BTR. Else new BTR link will be top. Okay. You see it. Pushing in linked stack means get new node for the item to be pushed. First of all, new BTR is equal what? New node. Okay. New BTR is equal new node, and new BTR info is equal item name, means we have to be create a new BTR. Suppose this is a new BTR. Okay. Up to when it will be not inserted, it will be independent. Okay, means we have to create a new pointer, create a new node, and this part will be called what? This part will be info, and this part will be called link. I already told you totally it is called node because this is linked stack, na? Okay, so we created a new node. Okay, we create a new node, but until it is inserted, it will be independent. That's why it is the item and new link will be null. Okay, see, if top is equal null means what? You suppose your list is what? This. I already told you then what? Means in algorithm, we have to be study all possible condition, all possibility. Like if list is empty, if list is full, like that we have to study all the possibility. That is the logic of main, in algorithm. I already told you many times. If top is equal null, then what? When you inserted this in here, your top will be what? New bit here. Okay. Otherwise, if your top is not null, suppose this is the existing list. Or this is the existing list, okay? And you have to be inserted pushing in this list. Then your new node is coming in here. I already told you, suppose this is HM, this is S, informing this is suppose S. S is coming in here, means your new BTR link will be top. Initially this is top, now your new BTR link will be what? At the H position, means top, and top will be now in new top will be what? New top will be your new BTR, okay? Means initially top is pointing at what? H, now S is pointing at H, that's why this line is coming. New BTR link will be now top, means initial top. Initially top will be pointing at H. Now your new BTR link will be H, point at the H, means beginning top. Initially top will be at the H. Now your S will be pointing at H. That's why new BTR link will be top, and your new now top will be changes to H to S, means new BTR. Okay? This. Last will be ending. Okay? That's it. If you understood the algorithm, you will understood the program. I write the program. Okay? See. Write a program for pushing in link state. And we have to be insert a new header file. Okay, we have to be create the node. That's how we use structure. Okay, and in linked list what coming? Info node next, and we have to be inserted top, comma, new BTR. These are all are pointer, okay? These all are pointer because this all is related to reference memory address. BTR, right? And now we have to give the member function. Node, create new node. Create underscore new node, under we will give the info part, means int, and we use two header file, sorry, two member function in here, push and display. Push and display, void push and void display. Okay, see, so in here we have to be use main function. You write serially from the beginning. Okay, int inf okay. Top is equal to null, while character is equal either small y or capital Y. Enter information for a new node. And this is coming in the variable this inf. Okay, I write down initially after I told you. In here we have to be calling this function. Okay, calling this function under a new ptr pointer. Create new node inf. Integer is, the argument is what? Integer is assign is inf. If new ptr is equal null, cout cannot create new node. Aborting. Exit function. For exit we use this header file process. Okay, you see I explain first of this part, after that I write down some portion will be left, I write down after this explanation. See, we use three header file. Okay, process is for this exit function, and this is the, you already familiar with this part. This is what we create a node, means we use structure, that keyword struct, and we use the data member is info and next, because in linked list node is what, one part is information and second part is link is for what, it is the pointer part, it is store the memory address of next node, you already know. And this is the part top, for the top position, new ptr for creation of new node, save we use for this save for when insertion operation is happening, and pointer. These are the member function. We use what, create underscore new node, argument is int, push and display. So see, in main function we use a variable as a int and in here character, and top will be initialized by null, right? When we use the while loop, character is either small or a capital Y, this is the logical operator. Enter information for the new node, that will be stored in inf variable, okay? And the create new node will be called, the function will be called under the main function in assigning in where, this new ptr variable. means this is the actually a pointer variable, okay, and the argument is assign is what, INF, this in here, this, and if new btr is equal to null, that means if your node is not created, then how you inserted a new node? Suppose your node is not existed, you not created any node. If you don't created any node, then how you the node will be added in a existing linked list or blank linked list? If your node is not already created, then how you inserted it? That's why this is what, if new btr is equal to null means if your node is not created, but if your node is not existed, okay, this is logical concept, cannot create new node, aborting, exit, okay. After this part I will write down now. You see it, you write down serially. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Push new btr, this will be called cout. Now the link stack is press Y to enter more nodes. And to exit. And this will be coming in the variable ch, this in here. Okay. And in here the main function will be ended. Return 0, get ch. Okay. Now we have to give the definition of function. We create three function. We have to define all three definition. Okay. Node, we take a int n. If pointer is equal new node, pointer info will be definitely what? This n pointer link part will be initially null. Pointer link part will be null because this is independent up until when it is inserted. Okay. A link, or you can write next also because we use the next ptr. Okay. And this will be return ptr. Return to this where? Return ptr means you have to be create the node and you have to be return it to the main function for insertion. Now erase this part. The last section will be written. You just write it serially from the beginning. Void push node np if top is equal to null means your list is empty, top is equal what? np means new btr. Okay, otherwise save is equal to top means initial beginning top. Top is equal to np, and np next will be save, and last one will be for void display. when NP is equal not null, NP info and NP is equal NP next. NP means new bit here, okay? This is where backslash n and this is the ending. You see in here we define three functions because we declare three member function: create new node, push and display, okay? And create new node, we assign the information part will be what? INF will be as a n variable, integer n. That's why we use ptr is equal new node, pointer is equal new node is assigned is pointer info part will be n. Means this is an independent node. Well, this is n, integer n, means any integer value, so 16, and this is null, okay? This will be creating node, okay? And this is return to the main function. For main operations will be performing by what? Output will be performing by main function. Let's see. After that, white push, your new pointer will be created. If top is equal null, top will be directly NP. Otherwise, save is equal top means where? Suppose this is the existing list, okay? This is the top. This is the existing list, okay? This is R10. SH. This will call save. Initially, top is equal what? This top is equal save means save is equal top. You can write. After that, when you insert it, suppose this is a new node, so L. This is inserted in here. Now your top will be what? L, and L will be pointing to H. This is as save and this is S. Okay. Now your top is equal NP, new pointer, and top this NP next will be pointed to what? Save, because initially save will be H. This is save is equal top. Now your new pointer next will be pointed to save. Okay. And this is the what? Display for new pointer is not null means what? If the node is created, not null means node is already created. NP is info for designing purpose, and NP is NP next, new line. Okay. So that's it. In next class we have done the popping in link stack. Okay. So if you need regarding this, you can ask me, and don't be hesitate. Okay. This program is very easy. If you understood the algorithm logic, then you usually understood this program, okay? So, in next class, we have done the popping in stack link stack, okay? And after that, we have studied the application of stack, okay? Thank you.